What's up, guys? Welcome back to another quick video. This is Alex, MTV Alex, and today, as you can see, I'm out and about back on the trail. It's been a while since I hit the trail, so I thought it was a perfect time to bring out the e-bike today. Just because I haven't ridden much and I just wanted to have a nice long ride instead of a intense ride. So I think this is just doing just that. I'm already almost 8 miles in. Still gotta go back home, so about 5 more miles in. So I'll be putting in about 12-13 miles in today. This thing seriously is riding like a charm. I've been using it just on eco mode because I just don't want to take advantage of the power that it gives us. And the other day I was actually also playing with the app, and I think you can also modify how much power input it gives you on each one of the modes. Currently it's on dynamic, so on eco is giving me about half of the power, a little bit, because I think there's 3 ranges on each one of them. But I'm tempted into changing it to the lowest setting on eco mode, just so that it feels more like a mountain bike. And for those of you who are wondering about my wife, she's doing great. She was able to join us, surprise us on Christmas Day, after, with doctor recommendation. That was the doctor gave her the clear so that she could join us, and she's been with us ever since, and everything is almost back to normal. Ideally on Christmas Day or Christmas Eve, we usually celebrate with more family, but as a precaution we just stayed at home, me, my wife, and the kids. We had a nice time. That was just a quick update. I'm happy I'm back on the bike. My wife is back with us, and from here on all I can do is wish you a happy new year, and I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.